Every new edit starts the exact same way, a blank timeline staring right in your face. And that first step, it always feels like the hardest one. You're buried in footage, drowned in audio, and stressing over the best way to start this film. The good news is there is an easy, simple method to breaking through that overwhelm to start moving forward in the edit. And so today I'm sharing 5 simple ways that you can start any wedding film with confidence. But first, what's up everybody? Jared with an I here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, welcome to How to Film Weddings. Every week I show up to help you and myself become better wedding filmmakers together. So if you're interested in that, if that's your sort of thing, it would mean so much if you consider liking and subscribing. The first tip to starting your film with confidence is to start with a moment. And honestly, it doesn't get more simple than that. Every wedding has a moment that was either emotional, funny, quirky, that highlights the couple's personality from the day in a genuine way. Starting with a moment that is relatable, that's human, that's reflective of who the couple is a great way to make total strangers actually feel something when they watch this film. It helps get your couple right in the feels the second they hit play, and ultimately just helps make your film feel so much more real versus starting with a slowed down portrait or slowed down detail shots or something that just is more wedding video highlight versus wedding story. And starting with a moment is one of the best ways, in my opinion, to really get the creative juices flowing. The second is to start with a line from the vows, especially if they were really emotional. Don't wait, don't build, just share a powerful line that really summarizes what this film is going to be about. It tells us a little bit more about the couple, who they are, and jumping right into the action from the start is a great way to get people entangled in the film right from the start. You can keep the visuals on screen as simple as 2 cuts back and forth between the bride and the groom, or pair it with a beautiful moment from the wedding day for an even stronger impact, like the bride and groom's exit for the ceremony or their send-off, or just a beautiful moment from the day. Now, there's some strong opinions with this third one, and I myself have some very strong opinions regarding this one, but just keeping things simple, keeping things minimal when it comes to just pushing past the overwhelm to starting your edit, just start with a drone shot. Look, it's been done time and time again. Hollywood does it, they still do it. Wedding videographers still do it. We've all done it. You know what? It's backlog season. Just start your film with a drone shot. And drones really do help provide that spatial awareness. They provide context to where we are in this moment. And especially if you're in a very beautiful, very exotic or foreign place and you want to highlight the landscapes and just the environment as a whole, your couple's gonna love it. And ultimately that's who we're making this film for, and not all the other filmmakers that are just gonna be judging because you started your film with the drone shot. It's simple and it's a great way to simply get over that overwhelm, that first initial hump to starting your film. But the real secret to getting started doesn't start with your visuals. It actually starts with your music. Because having the right music and sound design can actually help spark creativity. And MusicBed is the only platform I trust to create a film that feels emotional, cinematic, and authentic to my couple. And right now they are offering a free year of sounds with any MusicBed annual subscription. Because let's just be honest for a second, the way your couple feels the second they hit play, that first impression, it matters so much. And when the music and the sounds don't match the vibe, it can ruin the entire experience. And music is that invisible ingredient that can make or break your story. And the best part about choosing MusicBed is you're not choosing a platform with just intentionally curated songs, but sound effects as well that can take your films to the next level and truly stand out. So use my link down in the description below and code CyberMonday25 at checkout so that you can get that free year of sounds when you sign up for a MusicBed annual subscription. So if you're on the fence, now is the time to join, and the discount does end on December 11th. Number 4 is to create some hype. This is honestly one of my favorite ways to start any wedding film. Start with a packed dance floor. Start with some energy. Show that hype. All the fun that everyone was having from the day. It's exciting, it's engaging, it's interesting, and it's such a fun way to showcase the couple, their people, and the overall vibe from the day. And to be honest, this is usually everyone's favorite part at any wedding is the dance floor. So showing that excitement is gonna instantly hook anybody that's watching. But the real magic of starting your film this way is the fact that you're building contrast. You're starting with a high point, and then you're entering into the more slowed down emotional parts of the day. So you're really balancing this excitement, fun energy with this super emotional, just heart-wrenching parts that just takes your couple on a journey through the highs, through the lows, back to the highs. And that's ultimately what you're trying to do, is create that experience. And when you start high and then you weave in the slow emotive moments, it's gonna make those scenes hit so much harder because they're already feeling so excited and just so immersed into what you just made. Plus, it takes a lot of the pressure off trying to find that perfect shot for the opening. It's simple, it works, and it gets your couple locked into this film right from the start. Now, there's so many possibilities and unique ways to start a wedding film, but the most important, probably the most vital if you're trying to tell a story, is to start with an emotional anchor. What is the whole point of this film? Is it just to show a highlight of the wedding day, or is it to tell a story of who these people are? You want to find that emotional center. Is it gratitude? Is it joy? Is it overcoming obstacle together? Is it family? Is it connection? Is it main character energy? Whatever it is, you want to find that one-liner that you can start your film with so that it helps you steer the remainder of this film. Because it's much easier to start a film when you know where it's going. So look for threads throughout your dialogue, a line that speaks to who they are, what they've overcome, or what they value. Your job isn't to invent a plot, it's to highlight what already exists in a cohesive way. You just need one line, one sentence, one tiny little truth that becomes the anchor for the entire film. And once you really know the direction, the meaning, and the heart behind the film that you're creating, the story that you're telling, your film practically builds itself. But that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and valuable in some way. If you did, it would mean so much if you consider liking and subscribing. Drop a comment below. Join us over on Facebook where the conversation is continuing with how to film weddings. I'd love to see you over there. I will have a link down in the description below. And until next time, keep creating and telling beautiful stories. Peace.